How to turn on haptic feedback on Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn the feature on. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon. Now here on the right top, tap on settings. So we are in the settings interface. Here on the top, there's an option called preferences. Simply select preferences. So this is the place where you can turn on haptic feedback. So here make sure that it is turned on, so it will turn on blue and it is all set. So if you go back, it is completely set. So haptic feedback is a type of vibration and it's a response that the mobile application gives you when you do some correct lessons or even move forward in the app. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.